I got all my calendula and chamomile flowers for tea making. And it's not really from a big garden. See how small space I have here for all these flowers. So you really don't need a big backyard to plant herbs. Just need a tiny space, and you could grow your own herbs. Thank you for watching.